Hi, this is Sarah. In this lecture, we will discuss the visual acuity examination and new tools for the preventive screening of macular diseases. The learning goals of the present course are the definition of visual acuity, the description of visual charts used for the visual acuity evaluation, the description of the DART and DVAT digital visual acuity charts. Visual acuity is defined as a quantified method of evaluating the ability of the eye to discern shapes and objects at various distances. It constitutes a vital part of the basic ophthalmological examination, contributing to the early diagnosis and monitoring of ocular diseases, as well as being the primary method of evaluating a person's visual capacity to drive. It is therefore imperative, for the visual acuity assessment, to create a standardized procedure, so that any vision changes can be easily recognized. Visual acuity is measured by using special charts. These charts use letters or symbols of various sizes and are placed at specific distances away from the patient. The examinee tries to read or identify the letters or symbols, starting with the larger ones at the top lines and gradually moving at the smaller ones at the bottom lines. The smallest letter or symbol size that the patient can identify is defined as the patient's visual acuity. There are several types of visual charts, with the Snellen chart, the ETDRS chart, the Landolt-C and Tumbling E chart being the most prominent for the evaluation of distance visual acuity, whereas the Jaeger chart, the MN Reed and Radner charts are used for the evaluation of intermediate and near visual acuity. Historically, the first visual chart was created by Hermann Snellen in 1862. The calibration of the chart letters was based on the observations of English astronomer Robert Hooke, which indicated that the angular resolution of the human eye is 1 arcmin. Therefore, Snellen defined normal visual acuity as the ability of the eye to identify a letter, which has 5 strands, and its angle of resolution equals 5 arcmin at a reading distance of 6 meters. Snellen charts consist of letters which, at the top of the chart, require 1 out of 10 of the normal visual acuity and can be read with a resolution angle of 5 arcmin, from a reading distance of 6 meters. The letter size is gradually decreased, with each new letter line being a square root 2 times smaller than the previous one. The early treatment diabetic retinopathy study, or ETDRS chart, was first introduced by the National Eye Institute of the United States of America, based on the Bailey-Lovie charts, in order to solidify an original method for the visual acuity measurement for the early treatment of diabetic retinopathy. The Bailey-Lovie charts first introduced the term logmar, which is the logarithm of minimum angle of resolution, in order to achieve homogeneous change in the letter size. The ETDRS chart contains 5 letters on each line and the letter size is reduced at a rate of 0.1 logmar, while the letter change ranges from 1.0 to -0.3 logmar. By converting the logmar formula to the decimal 1, it is easily understood that the visual acuity of logmar 0 is equal to decimal acuity of 10 out of 10, whereas negative values of the logmar formula are equal to decimal values higher than 10 out of 10. Landolt-C charts were created by Landolt in 1888 and were comprised by a single letter in the shape of a broken ring, which appears with different orientations. Tumbling E charts were first introduced by Taylor, and it was comprised by the single letter E, appearing in 4 different orientations. This visual chart was created solely for the visual acuity measurement of illiterate populations. Both Landolt-C and Tumbling E charts can be converted to the logmar formula. The Jaeger chart test is used for the near visual acuity measurement. It is comprised by sentences in distinctive paragraphs, whose letter size is gradually increasing from 0.37 to 2.5 millimeters. The chart is to be held at a fixed near distance, usually at 40 centimeter distance from the eye. The Minnesota Low Vision Reading Chart, or MN Reed chart, is used for the near visual acuity measurement in people with normal or low vision. It consists of sentences whose letter size gradually decreases at a rate of 0.1 log units, from 1.3 logmar to -0.5 logmar. The examination takes place at 40 centimeters. Digital charts have been standardized for visual acuity examination, mostly due to their simple and accurate measurements, which can be easily conducted, even by inexperienced examiners. These charts use algorithms that offer viable and objective results, without the danger of variability in their interpretation. Finally, the visual acuity evaluation follows a strictly automated procedure, which removes any possibility of examination errors. DART is a web-based digital reading test for near and intermediate vision that was developed and validated at the Department of Ophthalmology of the Democritus University of Thrace. It has been developed and validated as a digital near vision reading test based on the fundamental properties of the Greek print version of MN-Red. It has also been validated as a web-based distance visual acuity test that provided reliable measurements in clinical and telemedical settings, both for normal and low vision patients. DART incorporates the fundamental principles of the printed MN read and calculates the following parameters. Reading speed is the reading speed of the current sentence in words per minute. It is calculated by the following formula, where errors are the number of mistakes made by the patient in the current sentence and time in seconds is the patient's reading duration of the current sentence. Reading acuity is the smallest print size that can be read by the patient easily in logmar. It is calculated by the formula in the slide. Maximum reading speed is defined as the patient's reading speed when reading is not limited by the print size. It is calculated by averaging the reading speed of the sentences with a print size larger than the critical print size. Another reading parameter of DART is the critical print size, which is defined as the smallest print size that can be read with the maximum reading speed. Finally, Reading Accessibility Index is defined as the mean reading speed of the 10 largest print sizes at 40 centimeters, divided by 200 words per minute, which is the mean reading speed of normally sighted young adults aged between 18 and 39 years old. This parameter was designed for better evaluation of one's access to text across the range of the 10 most common print sizes found in everyday life. Democritus Digital Visual Acuity Test, known as DVAT, is an innovative medical technology platform that facilitates the development and implementation of population-based health screening programs, centered on the clinical index of visual acuity. DVAT is based on the DART technological platform, DARTech. DVAT consists of a certified application for smart TV that allows self-examination of visual acuity, known as self-examination mode, and operator-assisted visual acuity examination, known as operator-assisted mode, at a home remote setting. DVAT also consists of a certified, secure digital database of DVAT visual acuity data, and of an artificial intelligence subsystem that calculates the risk of developing visual impairment, providing the necessary data for personalized preventive interventions. DVAT incorporates a series of innovations that make it unique in the field of visual impairment prevention. Among these innovations are the following. First, DVAT is the only certified medical smart TV application for visual acuity testing in the European Union and the USA. All other similar applications, as far as is known until September 25, 2024, are unapproved lifestyle products. Second, according to studies, television is considered the most familiar technological device for the general public. DVAT can be easily installed on any television via respective application stores and is operated exclusively through the television's remote control, like any other application or function. Finally, DVAT adapts to the language of the television set and supports populations that speak Greek, English, German, Turkish, French, Italian, Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, and Bulgarian. Database and Artificial Intelligence Subsystem. DVAT's visual acuity measurements are automatically stored in the DARTech Secure Database, and they are correlated with a series of demographic and clinical data. The artificial intelligence subsystem calculates the risk of developing visual impairment and suggests preventive measures when necessary. Screen calibration is mandatory before testing. Calibration can be done in two ways. When calibrating horizontally, the user enters the length of their screen in centimeters. The method is more accurate but requires access to a meter. On the other hand, in diagonal calibration, the user enters the diagonal of their screen in inches. Options of how to conduct the examination appear prior to the examination. Several options can be saved for the next examination, whereas other options are restored to default values. If the screen is too small for the examination's requisite size, a message will appear. The exam consists of 5 symbol slides that decrease in size as the exam progresses. Response time and number of errors are recorded on each slide. The test ends when the patient makes 2 mistakes on the same slide or reaches the last slide. On the next 2 slides, you can find a few references for further reading. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on visual acuity examination and new tools for the preventive screening of macular diseases, and please don't forget to run the self-evaluation tests of the lecture.